Just want to say hi. My name is Chris. If you don't know me, I'm a realtor in New Jersey. Stuck at home, just like I'm sure everybody else. Bored. I figured that I would try to be of some help, and I am posting my home buyer's guide that I give to all of my prospective buyers and clients. I'm going to post a link right down in the description. You're not going to sign up for anything. Just click on it and download. It's a PDF. Check it out. It has a lot of good information. It will walk you through getting a loan, preparing for the loan, preparing for your home inspections. It will tell you who you need to call at what points as far as vendors. It'll tell you what to expect on closing day and moving day, just all kinds of good stuff. And if you're bored, why not check it out? You'll be better prepared for when you are ready to buy, or even when you're ready to sell. There's just a lot of good information in there. There's a page of definitions, weird things like escrow that nobody knows what it really is. So check it out, download. If you need any help, give me a call, send me an email, go to my YouTube channel, check out my Facebook page. They'll all be linked below. And stay healthy, and thanks for watching.